So this is one of the biggest watermelon, and as you can see, the foliage and everything on it is dead. It's dead from the storm, the water, and so on. So I'm looking at the tendril and the spoon on this watermelon. So here's the spoon. Is this more green left, but she's disconnected from the plant, really. So I'm gonna take it off, and hopefully we could get one next year. It's a heartbreaker, but there it goes, Yeah. So this is the way she looks. She's beautiful. Huh, Ben? She's pretty, huh? But the foliage is dead on it, so here's this, and here's the spoon. But so we'll take it off anyway. Let's see how it goes. I wanted to show you my beans before I pulled them up. That the storm took all of the leaves off. Just blew them all off. So I'm taking them up right now. Yeah, I know. So this is where I put my the remnants of my beans. I put them here to make more super juice. That's what I'm doing. Been talking about cutting everything down, of course. So this is the other moon and star. It's a heartbreaker, y'all. Let me see, there's another one too. Let's go get it. This is the other one. But what I've noticed about this one is it have not grown. It's very light and hollow. So I'm gonna take her off. Yeah. Ben is gonna just cut this down. And for the gourds, we're gonna take them up too. Yeah, we're gonna take the gourds up too. We try to put them over there. And so Ben could cut this grass. It's just too much. And of course there's some gourds over there too. But we're gonna cut them. And here's another one in here. So let me get these bags. So check this out, y'all. These are the okras that fell. Look at this okra. Let's get that okra under there. And this one. They look like swords. My Lord. Let me see, can I get them up? Cut it off? Yeah. Oh man. Oh well. Depressing. So here is one of my mustard greens. Even through the storm, y'all. Through the storm. Baby girl rolling and looking beautiful. Absolutely. So you can see a lot of the oranges from my neighbor's tree have fallen. But what I've done is I've taken some and I'm just going to use the peeling to make some orange oil. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with it. This is the elderberry. That's the elderberry tree. Look at it go toe up from the flow up. But guess what? The girl always come back. She's a beast. She's a beast. Alright guys, so I am in my garden. Ben has done his thing. He didn't finish yet because we had lots of rain came through. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome looking? Yeah, so that is my mustard greens. I have 3 grow bags of mustard greens. This is some garlic chives. That's arugula. Yeah. And of course, that is Jamaican sorrel. So he moved all of them because I'm going to clean out a lot of the bags. And I'm going to drop some seeds, y'all. Yeah, I'm going to drop some seeds. But I wanted to share this with you all. I'm cleaning this bed here. Yeah, this is one of the beds that I built I think it was last spring. Yeah. And if I'm not mistaken, this was the first bed that I built. So cool. Yeah, but I'm home. I'm home now, of course. You see I'm in my garden. But yeah, I'm waiting for the power to come on because the power still isn't on. But this is my lemon balm. It's lemon balm. Yeah, and as you can see, she's going to seed. She's really beautiful. She's going to seed. So I'm going to save a lot of these seeds. I'm going to take a lot of them, probably 4 stems to a bag. I have 40 the Dollar Tree bags, and I'm going to put them in those bags and let them dry. Yeah. But anyway, guys, these are the seeds, and I'm going to save them because these are the seeds I dropped. I dropped these seeds. I do not save hybrids. I just don't waste my time because they're not guaranteed to be true to the parent. And I don't want to waste my time because basically that's what we're dealing with when we're growing. We grow by the season. And because we grow by the season, we have only a certain amount of time. So I don't want to waste my time with hybrids when I'm thinking it may be true or it may not. So I'm going to go with something that I know it's true to the parent. All right? But with that, let me share this with you all, okay? So I decided to keep my basil here. I'm not going to take it down. She's pretty dirty because I've been digging up all around her. Yeah. But let me share this with you all. So a couple seasons ago, I planted ginger here. Ginger. And as you can see, I have ginger growing here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, some more still growing of ginger. So I'm going to definitely let her do her thing. I'm not going to rip her up prematurely. I'm going to let her grow. I'm going to let her grow. And, yeah, because I love myself some ginger. But anyway, guys, that is what I wanted to share with you all. So let me say this too. To Renee, to Miss Renee over there at Renee's Garden, I think this qualifies for TCB, baby. I think this qualifies. So yeah, I'm tired. I've been working hard all day in this garden, trying to get it together. Because yeah, I'm a little behind in some things. I'm not too much worried, but there are some things like my cabbage and things like that. Yeah, I'm behind, y'all. I'm behind. So I need to get that done very quickly. So let me share this. So these are my gourds, my apple speckled gourds, or somewhere that's the name of them, y'all. So I do have a lot of them. I would have liked to allow them to stay on the plant longer, but the storm kind of ripped the plants away. So, you know, this is what we got. So I'm going to take them off the vine, and, you know, I'm going to see what they do. So I have, what, 3, 4, wait, that's 3, this is 4, there's a 5, there's a 5th one in here, right there. There is a number 6 right there. Here is a number 7 right here. That's her. And there is a number 8 right here. I think that's it, y'all. I think that's all of them. And then the next thing is to get the rest of the watermelons vines up. So I did harvest the watermelons. I haven't cut it yet, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and see what it do. This is the LSU Gold. Yeah, she all right. She look crazy, but she all right. And that is the purple. She's doing really good, real good. Yeah. Miss Fiona, she look really, really Judy, but she good, y'all. She good. Old and ugly leaves, and there's new leaves in the middle. Crazy, crazy. It's Fifi. So check this out. You see that? That's new growth. New growth on Miss Fifi. You see that, Chris and Cheryl? That's new growth on Miss Fifi. I think Chris, that's what Chris called her, Fifi. Yeah. So I have more greens here. Of course, that's my bay leaf, which is doing good. They're up there. This is radish. Yeah. Let's go and check out the other grow bags. I did share that one back there. That's mustard greens also back there. Yeah. And matter of fact, today is September 6th, which is the day I was to harvest these greens. So I dropped them back on July 12th, I think, or 23rd, one or two. And my goal was to have a harvest by September 6th, which is today. Well, I've had many harvests, many, and I can say that one was a success. Yeah, so far so good. So here is some of the greens here, but you know, I was gone for 5 days, and a lot of my plants just were stressed out, or many of them just died. Let me share more. So this is the leaves. This is my turmeric plant. As you can see, look at the leaves on my turmeric. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these leaves off. Well, I better cut them. Okay, I got that one. But it's okay that the leaf is off, because as you can see in the middle, she's growing back. So I'll let that one stay on. And this, of course, is Zena's. And my purple angel trumpet, she's growing another flower, y'all. She lost the one she had in the storm, and now she's growing another one. And there's another one. I didn't see that one. Look. Hey, mama. There's another one. So cool. And the leisures. They've been beat up, but they're still hanging tough. All four of them. Yeah. All right. So these are some dazzling kale. I dropped those before I left here. Yeah. And this is two. There is one here and one there. Yep. So 4 clocks. They're still hanging tough. Yeah. And my sweet potatoes. I harvest them, y'all. Here it is.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
It's harvest day for my sweet potatoes. Now I dropped 3 sweet potato slips in this 17-gallon container, and today is harvest day. I'm excited about these potatoes, and I cannot wait till they cure so I can bake my grandkids and I some sweet potato pies. Look at that.